Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to create a flyer. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type flyer to explore hundreds of pre-designed templates. Select a template that best fits your event or message, whether it's for a party, business promotion, or community announcement. Once chosen, you'll enter the intuitive Canva editor, where all your design tools are readily available. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative project. Now, let's personalize your flyer. Click on any text box to edit the content, choosing from thousands of fonts and a wide color palette to align with your brand. You can easily upload your own photos or logos, or browse Canva's extensive library of millions of stock images and graphics. Drag and drop elements to reposition them, and resize them with simple clicks and drags. Aim for a visually appealing layout that effectively conveys your message. To make your flyer truly stand out, enhance it with graphics. Explore Canva's vast collection of icons, shapes, and illustrations to add visual interest and convey information quickly. Apply various filters and effects to your images to create a consistent aesthetic throughout your design. Remember to integrate your brand's logo prominently and maintain a consistent color scheme across all elements. This attention to detail elevates your flyer's professional appearance. Finally, it's time to finalize and share your creation. Before downloading, carefully review your flyer for any typos, misalignments, or missing information. Once satisfied, click the Download button and choose your preferred file format, such as PDF for printing or PNG for digital sharing. Canva offers various options to directly share your flyer to social media platforms or even order professional prints. Your stunning flyer is now ready to make an impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.